Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today, we're tackling a word that you might come across in biology or when talking about the human body, larynx. It might look a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is larynx. Let's break it down. First, we have lair, which rhymes with air or bear. Next is inx, where the ing part sounds like in sing, and the k's sounds like the x at the end of fox. Now let's put it all together. Larynx. Try repeating after me. Larynx. Now a little faster. Larynx. And at full speed. Larynx. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. The larynx is the part of your throat that contains the vocal cords, helping you speak and produce sound. It's also known as the voice box. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce larynx and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.